For words. That is all it takes to stop a human heart. We need to talk. A nature documentary, in real time. 2:47 p.m. Our subject receives the message. It is from their partner. The message says, "We need to talk." There is a period at the end. Our subject's soul briefly leaves their body, looks at the phone, and reluctantly climbs back in. 2:48. The tribunal begins. The brain summons every crime committed since 2009. The forgotten birthday. The time they said the lasagna was fine. That joke at the wedding, was it too much? It was too much. They knew it was too much. 2:53. Our subject has now drafted 4 apologies for 4 different offenses, 3 of which are imaginary. They have also, in a bold pivot, prepared a counterattack. If this is about the dishes, they have receipts. 3:15. Our subject has mentally packed a suitcase. Custody of the dog has been negotiated. They practice looking wounded but dignified in the mirror. 6:02 p.m. The talk begins. Heart rate, hummingbird. And the topic of this emergency summit is choosing a color for the hallway. The hallway. 3 hours of cardiac stress. For paint. Here is the science-wide truth under the comedy. Ambiguity plus stakes equals doom. Your brain hates a blank, so it fills it. And it always fills it with the worst possible ink. We Need to Talk is a horror movie with no picture. Everyone screens their own. So, a public safety announcement for all senders. Add the topic. We need to talk about the hallway color, costs you 6 extra words, and saves a life. And receivers. Next time, just reply sure, what about? Boring. Effective. No suitcase required. Subscribe, or we will need to talk about good things. See you in the next scribble.